Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Dani Gunawan. I'm a PhD student at UP Bandung, and I'm a part of team of 3 researchers, and most of our funding comes from ourselves. And I want to present the, the work that I gave a name of increasing language skills through verbal linguistic intelligence-based instructional design. And the reference of my journal is IEC 2021 GDHEC 66. And my college of this research is Mr. Baharudin Mustafa and Mr. Din Wahyudin. Introduction. Indication is means of improving the quality of nation. Generally, the development of nation is inseparable from the development of education quality of a country. Indonesian society is an oral society or chat society, not a reading society. According to Sankyo 1999.3, reading to get new information is done by 23.5% of the total population of Indonesia. Linguistic verbal intelligence is considered as intelligence in language and communication. It includes the ability to speak, articulate, and express and convey one though feeling to outside world in one of more language is spoken and written form. It also includes the ability to listen and understand others. There are 4 aspects of linguistic intelligence that have proved to be important, namely mnemonic, explanation, and metalinguistic, according to Armstrong 2009 and Gardner 2011. Method, the researchers used the pre-experimental design with one group pretest post-test design. This type of approach enabled the researchers to identify the language skills: speaking, writing, reading, and listening. Level differences of high-class students before and after treatment with a verbal linguistic intelligence-based instructional design. The research participant, the population was 24 fourth grade students in Garut. They were considered representative of the elementary schools in Garut. The technique for collecting the sample was purposive sampling, in which the study requires prerequisite conditions. First, the participant must follow the pretest and posttest. As a result, out of the 24 students, only 22 students were selected as the sample. The instrument used in the study was a test to measure language skill, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Pretest and posttest. The result of the pretest and posttest was success using a rubric for each indicator on a scale of 1 to 5. The score was then converted to a value of 100 with 4 categories: poor, average, good, and very good. The data analysis was carried out on pretest and posttest data, including normality tests and mean difference tests with the help of SPSS version 22 software to determine the increase in language skills. And normalized gain test was also carried out. The figure 1, uh, language skills pretest score mean. The mean of the pretest of the skill, which includes 4 skills, shown that 1, the mean of listening is 60. 2, the mean of speaking is 69. 3, the mean of reading is 70. And 4, the mean of writing is 60. From this result, the scores that are still written of as poor are listening, speaking, and writing. Overall, the mean of student linguistic skill was 69. This was due to the classical learning process, which resulted in students being less active and it affected their language skills. The figure 2 showing the language skill post-test score mean. Each of the language skills after applying the verbal intelligent linguistic learning designs of the four measured language skills has increased. Based on the data obtained, the mean of language skill has increased. Namely, 1. Listening skills get a score of 84. 2. Skills get a score of 81. Reading skill get a score of 84. And 4. Writing skill get a score of 84. The figure T showing the comparison of pretest and post-test result. These results are corroborated by the normalized gain test. Based on the results of the normalized gain test, the gain value is 0.044, which is categorized as moderate. Based on this result, it can be concluded that there is an increase in student language skill by applying the verbal intelligence linguistic learning designs. The improvement of language skills include listening, speaking, writing, and writing skill, where the four aspects of language skill affect each other. The results show that conclusion, student language skills, including listening, speaking, reading, and writing, improve after being given treatment by applying the verbal linguistic intelligent learning design. Is evidenced by an increase in the average score of each skill in the post-test, namely 1. Listening skill get a score of 84, 2. Skills get a score of 81, 3. Reading skills get a score of 84, and 4. Writing skill get a score of 84. Based on the average score, it can be concluded that student language skill increase with an end gain value of 0.44, which is in the medium category. Okay, that's all for us, and thank you.